Have you ever wondered what makes our planet Earth so unique? Is it just land and water? Or is there a much deeper secret beneath our feet and above our skies? In this journey, we are not just talking about continents or oceans. We are about to explore the invisible forces. The air you breathe, the ground you walk on, and even the hidden life that survives beneath the sea. Welcome to the major domains of the Earth. This is not just geography, this is the story of how Earth breathes, lives, and connects everything together. Lithosphere. This is where it all begins. The ground beneath your feet, the mountain ranges you admire, and the deserts that stretch beyond the horizon all belong to one powerful layer of Earth, the lithosphere. The lithosphere is the solid outer layer of our planet. It includes all the land masses, called continents, and the ocean floors that lie deep beneath the seas. Imagine Earth like a cracked eggshell. This shell is made up of huge pieces called tectonic plates. These plates move slowly, but their movements have shaped the world around us. For example, the mighty Himalayas were formed when the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate. And even today, that collision continues, causing earthquakes in regions like Nepal and northern India. There are 7 major continents on the lithosphere. Asia, home to the Himalayas and the Gobi Desert. Africa, where the Sahara stretches endlessly. North America, home to the Rocky Mountains. South America, with the towering Alps. Antarctica, covered in thick ice. Europe, rich in rivers and plains. And Australia, the smallest, but full of unique landscapes like the Great Victoria Desert. And don't forget, the lithosphere also includes the ocean floor. Beneath the Pacific Ocean lies the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the Earth's crust, a part of the lithosphere too. Even the cities we live in, like Delhi, New York, Nairobi or Sydney, are all built upon this layer. So next time you stand on land, hike a hill, or feel a tremor beneath your feet, remember the lithosphere is alive. It moves, it shapes our world. It's the Earth's strong, silent foundation holding us all. Hydrosphere. They say, where there is water, there is life. But did you know, over 70% of our planet is covered by water? And yet only a tiny fraction of it is fit for drinking? This is the world of water. Rivers that carve valleys, oceans that connect continents, and glaciers that have silently shaped our lands for millions of years. Welcome to the Hydrosphere, the water world of the Earth. The hydrosphere includes all the water found on Earth, in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, glaciers, underground, and even in the air as water vapor. The largest part of the hydrosphere is the ocean water. There are 5 major oceans. The Pacific, the largest, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Southern, and the Arctic Ocean, the smallest and coldest. But ocean water is salty, we can't drink it. Only fresh water from rivers, lakes, underground wells, and glaciers is usable. And that makes up just 2.5% of all water on Earth. For example, the Amazon River in South America is the largest by volume. The Ganga is not just a river, but a lifeline for millions in India. And the Himalayan glaciers, like Gangotri, are natural water banks, slowly melting and feeding rivers. Even the clouds in the sky and the mist in your breath are part of this magical system. And when too much water falls too fast, we get floods. When there's too little, droughts. That's the power of the hydrosphere. So next time you drink a glass of water, cross a river, or hear the sound of rain, remember you are part of a vast, flowing, life-giving system. This is not just water. This is the hydrosphere, Earth's blue heartbeat. Atmosphere. You can't see it, you can't touch it, but without it, life would disappear in seconds. It protects us from deadly rays, keeps us warm at night, and brings us the air we breathe every moment. This invisible shield around Earth is called the atmosphere. And no, it's not just air, it's Earth's most powerful life-saving force. The atmosphere is a blanket of gases that surrounds our Earth. It protects us, supports life, and controls the planet's weather. It's made up of many gases. Nitrogen 78% helps plants grow. Oxygen 21% keeps us alive. And small amounts of carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor, and more. Without oxygen, you can't breathe. Without carbon dioxide, plants can't make food. And without this blanket, we'd freeze to death. The atmosphere also saves us from deadly ultraviolet rays through the ozone layer. Imagine the ozone as a sunscreen layer protecting us from getting burned literally. Ever seen lightning during a storm? That's the atmosphere at work. Or an airplane flying above the clouds, it cuts through the troposphere, the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Layer-wise breakdown. Troposphere closest to Earth. Weather happens here. Example, clouds, rainfall, thunderstorms. Stratosphere contains the ozone layer. Example, jet planes fly here. Mesosphere, meteors burn here. Example, shooting stars you see at night. Thermosphere, very hot, has auroras, northern lights. Example, where satellites orbit. Exosphere, outer edge of atmosphere, merges into space. But today, pollution is damaging our atmosphere. From car smoke to factory gases, we are weakening our own shield. When you plant a tree, save electricity, or walk instead of driving, you help protect this amazing layer. So the next time the wind touches your face or clouds cover the sun, pause and remember you are living under Earth's invisible armor, the atmosphere. It's more than air. It's life itself. Biosphere. Imagine a zone where water flows, air moves, and land holds it all together. But what makes this zone truly magical is life. From the tiniest insect to the largest whale, from the coldest Arctic to the hottest desert, every living being exists in a delicate, invisible web. Welcome to the biosphere, the living skin of the Earth. The biosphere is the narrow zone of the Earth where land, lithosphere, water, hydrosphere, and air, atmosphere interact to support life. It includes plants, animals, humans, birds, microorganisms, and even tiny invisible bacteria living deep underground or underwater. A tiger in the Sundarbans, an ant under the soil in your garden, a bacteria living in boiling hot springs, or you sitting and watching this video, all are part of the biosphere. A forest is not just trees. It's an entire living system. Animals depend on plants, plants depend on sunlight and soil, and humans depend on all of it. This balance is called the ecosystem, a small working model of the biosphere. Forests, oceans, deserts, mountains all have their own unique ecosystems. Human impact. But this balance is fragile. Cutting too many trees, polluting water, poisoning air, it damages the biosphere. And when the biosphere is disturbed, climate changes, species disappear, and life becomes harder for all. Every leaf you see, every breath you take, every meal you eat, it all comes from one system that holds life together. We are not outside nature. We are nature. This is the biosphere, not just a place where life exists, but where life connects. To sum it up, the Earth is a masterpiece of nature, where every element plays a crucial role. The lithosphere provides the solid foundation, the hydrosphere nourishes life with water, the atmosphere shields us with air, and the biosphere holds the web of life together. Together, these spheres create the perfect balance for life to thrive. Remember, every small action we take impacts these delicate spheres. So, let's protect our planet, because everything we need to survive is right here on Earth. Stay connected to nature, stay informed, and let's create a sustainable future for all.